What's up guys, Matthew with Sikky Manufacturing here. Today we're taking a closer look at our all-new TR6060 relocation shifters for the GM 5th and 6th Gen TR6060 transmissions. We currently offer these shifters in 4, 6, 8, and 10 inches, but we also offer up to a 3-inch offset for each of these shifters so that you can get it really into the perfect position for your swap. These shifters are designed to be a direct bolt-in solution for your swap. No cutting or welding is needed. One of the biggest headaches when doing a swap is getting that shifter into exactly the right spot for your swap. And these shifters are really perfect at getting your swapped TR6060 transmission shifter location into exactly the right spot that you need. These shifters are all CNC machined from 6061 billet aluminum, and they feature stainless steel components, which is this linkage right here. So you know that they're designed to take a real beating. They've lasted for years in all of our other shifters. So it's a great material setup, really strong, precise shifting, and doesn't sacrifice on durability. So one of the benefits of our shifters is that these actually feature a 40% reduction in shift throw, which means you get quicker, faster shifts. So not only are you getting your shifter into the right spot, but you're getting a much more efficient shift. Another pretty cool feature that we've integrated into our shifters is a sealed boot design. So all of our shifters, the shifting components have been sealed up with boots on both ends. So on both sides you get the shifter mechanism inside is sealed up. We've sealed up the integral components with boots on both the top and bottom of the shifter so that the shifting mechanism is protected from dirt, debris, grime, keeping it lasting for years to come. So if you're running a TR6060 in your swap and you're looking for the most adjustable, most durable, and longest lasting, and frankly one of the best looking shifters on the market, this is it right here. If you have any questions about what you've seen here today, you can always give us a call or hit us up on Sikky.com. Shoot us an email to sales@Sikky.com. Don't forget to give us a like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.